Hello everyone, in this video I will review H2o.ai. H2o.ai is an open source platform designed to make artificial intelligence and machine learning easier for everyone. It is widely used by data scientists and businesses to build predictive models and analyze data at scale. The platform provides a range of tools, including AutoML, which automatically trains and selects the best models for your data. This makes it helpful for both beginners and experts since it reduces the complexity of model building. H2o.ai supports many popular programming languages like Python, R, and Java, which makes it flexible. It also integrates well with big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark for large-scale projects. One of its strengths is speed, as it can process very large data sets efficiently. Another advantage is that it offers both free open-source tools and enterprise solutions for bigger companies. The platform also focuses on explainable AI, helping users understand how models make decisions. This is very important for industries like finance and healthcare, where transparency matters. H2o.ai has a strong community and plenty of tutorials, which make it easier to learn. However, some users may find the setup and advanced features challenging without prior ML knowledge. Pricing for enterprise tools can also be high, which may limit smaller teams. Still, the time-saving automation and flexibility making it a valuable AI platform. Overall, H2o.ai is powerful, scalable, and trusted solution for companies that want to put AI into real-world use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.